guys. So, I am on Skyscraper Tycoon. Look, I can't believe it. So, Mini VIP is free, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you did that. What? Yo, guys. Okay. You guys. Oh wow, my cat just jumped. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So it's called inspect. What you gotta do, go to anything you want, even Robux. Just make sure your mouse is straight on it. Left click, press inspect, and then as you can see I have 8. If I can put that into 10K. Press enter, and now when I exit I have 10K.
Hey,
but I just can't.
you on the computer?
No.
Oh, good.
And you guys can see I have 10,000 Robux. And you can change anything you want. You can inspect play. Just press inspect. It will say play. Go like that. Put whatever you want. Poop is cool. I eat it. Oops, I spelled cool. Cool, I eat it. Enter. And then X. Poop is cool. I eat it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can get out because I'm sort of doing this. Alright, and then you press inspect like that. And like that. Just do poop is cool. I eat it. Yep, it's called Poop is Cool, I Eat It now. And you can put swear words, but I'm not going to because I don't like swear words. But yeah. You can do that, inspect, and call trade. Roblox is very cool and we need money. Help. Help us. Bam, and then now trade. It's okay, that didn't work, never mind. And my brother is like going crazy with our cat. Quit. Okay. Yeah, so you can do that with anything.
I want to drop him on the floor now.
Don't.
Yo! Hey, kitty, bad.
So, icon, logo, R. Okay, I'm just gonna put T's. A bunch of T's. X. Okay, Roblox isn't even here. Okay. Well, eat it. Okay, Kuya! Get out, please.
I don't want to get out. I want to say hi to your YouTube channel.
Well, then say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
He is 12. He doesn't sound like that.
Bro,
Okay.
I'm 13. What are you talking about?
Okay, whatever, okay? Okay, dude, just whatever. Don't drop the cat on my head. He put the cat on my head. Guys! Help! Ah!
Is it scratching you?
No, it's just scary. Dude. Okay, so Roblox Crack Cop. Inspect. Here was. Never mind. Okay. Oh, here it is. It was up here somewhere. Okay, never mind. Yeah, you can do anything with this. You can even go over to Google Hangouts. Yeah, shout out to Marley. Okay. Okay, let's just change this into YouTube. And you can change YouTube red, inspect. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, right there. Hi. As you guys can see, it is just really small. And yeah, you can go all caps with it. You can go like that with it, I guess. And holy crap, that's really big. Okay, hold up. So, inspect. Control C, Control V. And X. Okay, it's just the same. So, how to make jiggly slime like this. Inspect. And you just need to find it. Okay, I can't find it. So, we're just going to go ahead, go back to Roblox, call this, okay, I'm closing my door, like this, okay, we're going to go, update jailbreak. There we go. And that didn't work. Play, inspect. So, play. Right there. We're just F's. Tons of F's. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Roblox, don't sue me, please. Roblox Inquires. So, don't sue me, guys. We're just going to go to your account, Roblox. We're going to go to OBC. Inspect. Okay then. Yeah, that. I need that. OBC. There. OBC. We're going to change that to FBC. Like that. FBC. It is now officially FBC. And Roblox doesn't have Builders Club anymore. 2 million followers? Not anymore, Roblox. 2 million. Okay, -9,999. Sorry, Roblox. Following. Sorry, we just need to change following into a 9. There we go. Next 99999. Let's go ahead. $5 million place visits. Sorry, buddy. Negative nines. Just crazy 9s. Like that. Okay. Wow. Sorry, Roblox. You just had to have negative 9999. I love Roblox, though. Oh no. this laptop won't stay on for like a few more minutes. Join date 2006. Boy, I'm gonna make it so you're like dead already. So 227/1599. 227/1599. Sorry. We're going to have more Robux than Roblox, everybody. Robux 8. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Plus, that is an equal sign. Whatever, okay? Just, no. Oh my gosh. Whatever, okay? Alright, I'll end the video. Bye, guys.